Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, empowering the women of Meghalaya. 3,000 rupees every month to every single BPL mother in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Kapor ding ha Meghalaya kalipman kapor Congress ka kular Bandung du bor ding ha nong kendong ni hasar
5 commitments na kaseng Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Vote for your 5-star Meghalaya. Vote for Congress.
Unang yalam kalyang persya ubaderu ukertong ka Trinamool Congress na songsak bat tricky kala Dr. Mukul Sangma haka arhoy tarik rumpang ulakan tho eka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA hapo kajing yalam kaseng National People's Party NPP halor kajing Lute yaka mang tingka kaba shispa saw po Klur tingka dakaba Thied yaka Jaka kaba praspa Kynnoh akar hamau pedang mau Haduh East Khas Hills District. Habakarench kilat pathay kubor haka office jangga seng TMC hasilong usangma ulakhot yaka Sorkar MDA ka Meghalaya Deceitful Alliance kabamut ka Sorkar sindrop bashet syukor jang ka Meghalaya halor ka jing syukor jang ka yakinong sang shnang jang ka shnang mau pedang mau Haduh da ka ba kila Thied yaka Jaka ni ki agent Kynnoh haka dor ka ba prapusan tingka shi square feet ka ba kot baro ars pa khandai phupra point khandai phra Klur tingka katba ka dot try ka long south san tingka shi square feet katba ka kot barwa shispa san phopra point r phra Klur tingka ka jinge pher ba Haduh shispa sau pho point nyo Klur tingka ulay thuru bakarai ban Thied ya ka ka Jaka la shim da ka kinhun menteri joga Sorkar jala ha ka south trik risau 8,000 arwe usangma ula kno ru ba menteri ka tanat urban affairs ula lam khamat ya ka project Kabala Padiang hadian da Menteri Katanat Revenue and Disaster Management Badru da kakenhun Menteri Kejala.
The Chief Minister, the Revenue Minister, and the Minister in charge of Urban Affairs Department have entered, if we go by all these inputs which is available before the public domain now, have entered into a criminal conspiracy to rob the state of such a huge amount of money. If you're looking at the difference comes to over 140 crores. Now these 140 crores could have been given to the landowners, the innocent landowners, the innocent villagers, who have inherited this beautiful land, who have preserved and protected this land. If you look at the modus operandi of this government, one after another, everywhere they have engaged in all acts to rob the state, to satisfy their swelling greed at the cost of the state. In the instant case, if you look at the rate at which they have bought this land and decided to pay at an inflated price of rupees 85 was decided upon by the cabinet on the day of addressing an election rally in Garo Hills. The Union Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shah, has gone hammer and tongs alleging the state of being neck deep in corruption, and have referred Meghalaya as the #1 corruption state in the country. This is something which has defamed the name of the state and its people.
Usangma ulaban jur baladei ban penlong daga jing toket bad ukermen ru baga Sorkar pedengkan pediang ya kanika case bad ban pha ya agency ban toket halor ka jing kano watla ulakam baki dan shibun kisaki sabut.
There has to be an investigation. I have already given you the lead. This is the lead. Now this lead is enough. There's a job of the investigation team which should go into the details and go anywhere to all these villagers and ask them how much, at what rate they have sold the land, they will tell you that at the rate of 45 rupees. That's the reality and that's the truth.
Kajing say so ha ka rap karyang kajing men ya kinong rap. Anda la pentrikam ka TMC ha ka ba shipawa jar tingka shisnem anya rap pisa ya baro kinong rap ha ka jela lingba kajing pen mi ya ka scheme batmai farm Farmers Assistant for Rural Meghalaya.
Hakane ka ap nyaw terek urempang Jan ya kasap jong pi haki artli kisentil bat kersan ya ka Meghalaya TMC.